Welcome to Shenzhen CMS Technology Co. Located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, China, CMS was founded in 2012, is a professional company engaged in CNC machining, precision parts manufacturing, with a factory area of more than 3,000 square meters. We have passed ISO 9001, IETF 16949, ISO 13485 certification. For more than 10 years, the company has been dedicated to the production and processing of precision parts and components, and has continuously introduced more than 60 sets of high-precision CNC machines. With a strong product development team and rich experienced engineers, we provide our customers with CNC machining, CNC turning, CNC milling, Swiss CNC machining, 5-axis CNC machining, surface treatment, and other services. Meanwhile, we are able to process more than 50 types of metals and plastics, and have established cooperation with global famous companies in the fields of aerospace, medical, industrial equipment, automotive, automation, and so on. We are also equipped with precision testing laboratory, including equipment such as 3-dimensional tester, 2-dimensional tester, height gauge, roughness tester, spectrometer, hardness tester, film thickness tester, and other precision testing instruments to ensure the quality of products. We provide rapid prototyping, small and large volume parts or products OEM manufacturing services to customers worldwide. Feel free to send us drawings or samples to get a free quote.